So this is our second lesson about SolidWorks training program. And this lesson, we are going to make an assembly. Assembly, it has four components. One is the stand, the other is a straight rod, and the third is a ring, and fourth is a weight. So in lesson number 2, the first part, we will make these parts and then we will assemble it. This is a chaotic pendulum. It turns and twists. So this weight will be attached to this pendulum, but we will design these parts. So first we'll design a stand, then we'll design this stick. There's two holes here and here, and then we will design a ring. So let's start with the stand. Go to File, New, New Part, and the stand. So this stand is, we will draw it from the top plane. Go to top plane, sketch, rectangle, center rectangle from the origin, and give it a smart dimension. This dimension is 150 mm, and this dimension is 50 mm. And let's go to features and extrude for about 10 mm. Now we will make the rectangle portion on this plane. So for that part, we have to draw a rectangle on this plane. So when we select on a plane, so in SolidWorks, whatever you want to draw on an object, you select the plane. So for example, we want to draw on this plane. So when we click on it, a window appears and it says sketch. So this will make a new sketch. Now this plane is a new sketch. So we'll go here, select center rectangle, and give it a smart dimension. This is about 50 mm, and this is 20. And we're going to extrude it for about 220 mm, so that it will be a good step. So this is our stand. Now we're going to make a hole in it. So for hole, we want to make a hole on this space. So we select this space and give it a new sketch. At new sketch, select a circle. When you bring a circle, you can see a dashed line appears on it. Okay, and a perpendicular that says perpendicular to origin, and give it a smart dimension of 10 mm. So this is a hole of a 10 mm, and this is about the distance between this piece and this piece is 20 mm. Okay. So now we want to make this as a hole. So we go to feature, extrude cut. We want to make it a cut. And this cut is about 20 mm deep, and you can see the arrow. So here it is, our stand. So now let's see what else we have. So we will save this file of a stand file, save as. We can go to lesson 2 stand, lesson 2 stand, and save. Now let's make another part, which is the stick. So file, new, file. Okay. So you can go top and center rectangle, go to smart dimension, and the stick is about 200 mm long and width is 25 mm. And extrude 10 mm. So 10 mm extrusion. This is the stick. It has two holes. One is at 50 mm from one side and the other is 15 mm. So go to sketch, go to circle, and let's make one hole which is 10 mm diameter and 50. And let's make this perpendicular to origin. Like this circle point and this point. And okay, let's make one more hole. This is 10 mm and the distance between these two lines is 15 mm. And let's make this point, this point perpendicular and make it a cut. This cut is about 10 mm. So here we have our stick. Similarly, we're going to make this third part. This is a ring. So file, new, part, top plane. So to make a ring, we have to select a circle. Go to region and make another circle. Uh, this is 150 and this is 120. So now if we extrude the base, we'll extrude the base like this. It will make a ring. Okay. And on the ring there is a hole in it. So let's select the ring. Let's make a hole. Select a circle. Go to smart dimension. Give a dimension of 10 mm and give a distance 57.5 and extrude cut. If you look at the assembly, this surface is smooth. So this is, let's see how we're going to make it. So this is called fillet. So you make a fillet and you can select this edge and set the size. The size is about 1 mm. You can select this side, you can select this side and this side. All four edges are now filling. So this is our wing. And the fourth part is a simple part, it's just a weight. So that is just a weight, 25 mm by 25 mm we can make a weight. Twenty-five mm, 25 mm, and 10 mm. So this is how you make these parts. In the second part of this lesson, we will see how we are going to make this form as an assembly and how we can make this motion. If we look at the ring, how are we going to do this part? So we will look this how to draw, how to make an assembly of an object in lesson number 2, part B. Thank you.